Today in this video, we are going to discuss on how to announce your certification on LinkedIn. These impressive badges of accomplishment can help your profile stand out in competitive job market. With the job landscape being so tough, it's essential to make a strong impression, and showcasing your certification is a great way to achieve that. So, here's how you can do it. First, navigate to your profile and click on Add Profile section button. Then click on Recommended and you will see Add License and Certifications. From there, from the drop-down list, click on it. Now, fill in all the necessary details, including the name, issuer, expiration date, and don't forget to add a URL that links your certification for extra credibility. Once you've added your certification, make sure to update your skills sections. This part of your profile is often overlooked but is crucial for catching the attention of recruiters. Be sure to include any new skills you've gained from your certification. Finally, share a post about your certification. This is your opportunity to highlight your achievements. Explain why you chose to pursue the certification, what you've learned, and how it will benefit your career. Be sure to include relevant hashtags and keywords to boost your visibility. Announcing your certification on LinkedIn is a powerful way to showcase your skill and expertise to potential employers. By following these steps, you can ensure your certification receives the attention they deserve and help you secure your dream job. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.